Hey, this is JD, also known as SD Prototype, here at Comicpalooza 2014. I'm here with George Giordano. And how are you doing today?
Not bad at all. Having a great time here.
You've got a bunch of props over here, and you've been in this industry for a little bit. Tell me what you got back here for us.
Pretty much what we have on display here is my personal hobby. I'm an actual special effects artist in the industry. My personal hobby is video games. So what I've been doing for the past couple of years are fan films based out of at least my personal favorite video games, Fallout, Borderlands, and, well, BioShock.
What hooked you into these games? What made you be like, I need to invest time and be a part of this?
I am a first-person shooter junkie. If you can give me a gun and I can look out of the eyes of the character and put a bullet in their head directly, I kind of like that game. Without the jail time or having to hire a lawyer, of course, yeah.
Yeah, because that gets a little hairy and expensive, right? Just a tiny bit. Borderlands is one of my favorite games. What class do you play then?
Okay, well, I play Axton. Okay. Right now, I am a double turret throwing, nuclear launching, 65 level, stomp your butt player.
Nothing like throwing a turret down and see the mushroom cloud come out.
And one of our good news, at least about the fan film, is we're able to get from Big Cheese KIT, has given us permission to use his rendition of Ain't No Room for No Hero.
Nice.
So we're going to be having his soundtracking on it, so we got some hardcore stuff going on with it.
Have you got in touch with anyone up at Gearbox for their community day that they have out in September?
No, we have not yet, because we haven't really announced the fact. This is the first time here at Comicpalooza that we're displaying the props from Borderlands, and we're actually making the announcement about the fact that that's next year's project. So we're just putting out our first things. We have a couple of the actors that are going to be in it are here also, and we've got some of the props. But this is the first announcement, so you got the break on it.
Yes. You heard it here on Altness. Is there a particular weapon that you want to build out? What's your fantasy weapon or thing in Borderlands?
Pretty much we've already built 2 auto turrets.
Okay.
We have the hero one, which is a beautiful close-up unit that fires and turns and has got all those cute little things. And then we have a miniature that actually slides across the floor and pops up. That was my personal thing. I had to build one. A friend of mine who's been in Turkey, who's now coming back in August, is actually playing Axton. He looks like him.
So have you worked with props beforehand prior to, doing your Fallout projects and stuff?
Of course. Pretty much known from the grindhouse industry, from Toxic Avenger 1 through 3, Blood Beach, Mother's Day. And there's most of the Trauma films from the Trauma team up in New York.
That's awesome, man. Well, thank you so much for sitting down with us and showing off your awesome, awesome work. Thank you so much, man.